Hey DIYers, Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. The wife's going to be mowing today, and there was almost a week span where it rained every day, and then there were a few days where we didn't actually mow. So at this point, we're looking at 1 foot high grass. So with that said, in today's video, the wife's ProTurn ZX60 lawnmower versus 12-inch or 1 foot high grass. Let's take a look. Grass is so long, it looks like waves in a lake as the wind passes over the tips of the grass. The wife is mowing, and I'm telling you, this is some long grass. And as you can see, at the very tips of all the grass is the seeds. And it gives a purple color to the tips of the grass. And the longer you let the grass go, the more purplish your grass will become. And as the wind blows, it looks like waves in a lake. So she is out mowing. As you can see, it is very long. Alright YouTubers, she is entering the roll bar mowing area.